County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wheaton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, social media and public reports. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Naperville, Cicero, Hammond, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Romeoville, Calumet City, Woodridge, Chicago Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, South Shore, and Roseland. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield Zoo, Toyota Park, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Benedictine University, First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governors State University, Hawthorne Park, Moraine Valley Community College, Morton Arboretum, Prairie State College, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe